Affiliate marketing is one of the easiest ways to start earning online in 2025. You don't need a lot of money to begin. In this video, I will show you 5 simple steps to get started with affiliate marketing and start earning commission today. Let's dive in. Step 1. Find popular products using Google Trends. Start by looking for trending products that people are already searching for. Google Trends is a free tool that shows you one hot and in demand. Just type in the product category or keyword and focus on what's rising in popularity. The more popular the product, the better your chance of making sales. Step 2. Make an affiliate account or register. To promote products, you need to join an affiliate program. Popular platforms like Amazon, AliExpress, ClickBank, or ShareASale are great places to start. Choose one that matches the type of products you're interested in promoting. Step 3. Find products on AliExpress. If you are interested in physical product, AliExpress is a goldmine for affordable and trendy items. You can promote these products and earn a commission on every sale. Focus on products with high ratings and lots of reviews to increase trust with your audience. Step 4. Create your affiliate link. When choosing a product, generate your unique affiliate link from the platform. This is the link you will share with your audience and track every sale you make so you can earn commission. Step 5. Share your link on social media. Now it's time to promote. Share your affiliate link on platforms like Pinterest, TikTok, Facebook, and Instagram. Create engaging content like tutorials, reviews, or even simple posts explaining the benefits of product. The more creative and consistent you are, the higher your chance of earning. And this is affiliate marketing doesn't have to be complicated. Just follow these 5 steps, stay consistent, and watch your commission grow. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tips on earning online. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.